The engine air filter in your 2011-2020 Dodge Journey with the 3.6L V6 engine is crucial for trapping dust and debris before they enter the engine. This diagram shows the engine components, with the air filter housing typically located on the driver's side under the hood. The air filter consists of multiple layers that capture particles of different sizes, from large dust to microscopic matter, ensuring only clean air enters the engine. A clogged filter reduces engine efficiency, leading to decreased performance and poorer fuel economy, potentially up to 10% loss. Neglecting this maintenance can lead to costly repairs, such as clogged intake valves, as seen in this example of carbon buildup. Replacement is recommended every 15,000 to 30,000 miles or annually, depending on your driving conditions. Start with preparation. Park your vehicle on a level surface and turn off the engine. Next, open the hood and locate the rectangular air filter box on the driver's side of the engine compartment. Release any clamps or undo screws to open the box lid. Pull out the old filter carefully, noting its orientation and the airflow direction arrows. Wipe the interior of the box with a dry cloth to remove any debris. Insert the new filter using OEM part number 530105333AA or an equivalent, and ensure it fits correctly with the airflow direction. Secure the lid and any clamps or screws. Start the engine and listen for abnormal noises. For visual guidance, consider using augmented reality apps.